Alright guys, we're out in the ocean swimming around. Look what we found. Dolphins. We're out swimming with dolphins. Oh my god.
Alright, we gotta get the vibes up, the energy up, because we're a little frustrated right now because we filmed like 4 videos today and we have to refilm all of them because of technical malfunctions.
We're stupid as fuck. We did some dumb shit.
Yeah, we're mad.
Okay.
Alright, come on, let's go. Let's go make a way better video than we did the first time. Alright, let's do this. We're gonna show you how we like to outsource designs. Super cheap, high quality. That's both of them. Super cheap and high quality. That's all you need. Yeah. So, I mean, let's just go to it. The website is called, I'll put it as the first link in the description as well. It is an affiliate link because we are...
Woo! Affiliate marketing.
It's like the first time we're doing that. Showing you guys which website we use. And it's not free because, of course, I wish it was free. Nothing is free except our YouTube videos. Yeah, good stuff that works to help your business is not free. So, but let's go to the website. It is called online, but click on the link instead of going into your browser.
Yeah, click the link.
Because no one loses.
Support the twins.
Support the twins. No one loses. We only get a deserved affiliate commission.
Yeah. So this is onlinejobs.ph.
Onlinejobs.ph is what it's called.
Filipino website.
So what it is, they have like hundreds. No, what am I talking about? They have thousands of like Filipino workers who have profiles on here, and when you post a job, it could be anything. Then they'll see it if it's something they're interested in, and then they can apply to your job. So
It's kind of like Upwork
for people in the Philippines.
yeah, basically.
So basically, Upwork for much cheaper.
Yeah.
Because their cost of living is a lot lower, so they'll work for a lot less money.
That's fair to say.
We made a video about that.
Yeah.
All right. So here's how it works. The pricing. Let me go to that real quick. There's a free thing, but you can't do anything with it. Trust me, don't even. So $69 per month. You only need to do 1 month, so you're gonna pay $69 up front to get your designers. You're gonna get a lot of designers.
And you could talk to 20, 30, 40, 50 different designers.
Well, 75. You can contact 75 people for $69.
Yeah.
And you sign up for 1 month. You get a whole month. You gather all your potential designers, and then you cancel. You don't need to do it again. So this is how you meet cheap t-shirt designers through this website.
Yeah.
And then down the road, if you feel like you ran out, you need more, you could go back and do another $69. But that's no need to do that now. So you want to get started, boom. That's self-explanatory process. So I'm just gonna go into my account, and then I'll show you how to make a job post. Right. So log in. Error. There's an error. That's weird. What the fuck? All right, I'm gonna try this again. My account. You're logged in. Okay, not logged in. All right. So you can see the job posts I've made. What have I done anyway? Teacher designer. Merch Amazon research.
Outsource that as well.
You could outsource research as well. I have not found someone who's good at it yet. Someone to grow or a YouTube channel. Yeah, that didn't work out. That was from way back in the day. Okay, so let me show you. Outsourcing fiction writing to Filipino people?
I tried.
Wow. Okay. All right. So
I was unaware of that.
So once you signed up, you got an account. You gotta go up here, post a job. Job title. Where you're gonna want.
This is basically like Upwork.
Right. So you just gotta answer the questions that they have, but I'll walk through it as well. So job title. What do you need?
T-shirt designers.
Looking for
very talented and experienced
team of talented t-shirt designers. When you say a team, then they're like, okay, you need multiple designers. So that would definitely make more people apply. If you're asking for one, they're like, no, my chances aren't good. Fuck it, I'm not gonna apply. All right, so write that. Job description, but that's not a problem. You get a lot of applications. Yeah. I'm not gonna write out job description right now. I'll show you previous ones I've made, and then you'll see. So let's just get that for now. Wage and salary. This is always tough. I'd say $2 per design is the upper limit. There's no need to go higher than that. Yeah. $2 to design won't get the job done.
Price. With one sale, you've already 2x your investment.
Yeah. So
do you guys see that? One T-shirt sale, 2x your investment.
Only expense you have, and the $69 for the thing. But
right.
So $2 is the upper limit I'll pay. You could also do $1 per design, which I have heard others do well with, and I'm doing the same. I have a few that are doing $1 per design, which is really cheap and awesome. But I think the quality is not as good as $2. You know, if you can get the really high quality, because quality, like, do not slack on quality. Like, don't be like, oh, I can get it for 20 cents, so let me just get a shitload of designs from them.
Well, let me say,
you need high quality. Yeah.
So my merch god, the guy that I've talked to, who's been helping me, he's making like 10K a month with merch, in royalties. Okay. And he says he pays 50 cents to $1.
Yeah.
So it's not like $2 is going to be better. It's about finding the right people, building relationships, things like that.
I'm just saying it may be hard to find someone.
Yeah. Don't expect
high quality for that low price.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
$2 to design is perfectly fine. That's an amazing price.
Yeah. So no more than 2. Shoot for as low as you can, though.
Like, the cheapest you find on Fiverr is one T-shirt design per gig. Well, that's $5.
I write 1 to 2. If you write 1, you're gonna get less applications, but they're gonna be willing to work for 1. If you write 2, you're gonna get more applications. I don't know what to write. What do you think?
$1 to $2 per design.
Yeah, but then they're always gonna be like 2. But yeah, okay, let's just go $1 to $2 per design. Yeah. Type of employment, full time. Give me these guys gonna be working full time because you need a goddamn big old boatload of designs. All right, so required ID proof. Oh, choose this 170 because on onlinejobs.ph they get like a rating. It's kind of like a review thing.
Use this mouse.
Oh yeah, that would be nicer. So I kind of like this. So if they have like an ID proof score of like 40, that means they've gotten bad reviews from other people that have hired them. At least 70 is not even good, so 70 should be the lowest. If they're in the 80s and 90s, that means others have good experiences with them, and they're probably the kind of people that you want to hire. All right, what kind of skills are required?
What, graphics maybe?
Graphics. I don't remember exactly what it says. There's one.
So yeah, Photoshop.
So, right, shirt design.
Yeah, there we go.
Shirt design, exactly.
That's really the only one.
But I've noticed that if you also include
graphics editing,
logo design,
Photoshop, print design,
then you're gonna get more applications.
Yeah,
more people are gonna apply.
Also do Photoshop and print design.
Yeah, okay.
But everything related to graphic design.
You also don't want them to get the wrong idea.
Well, you can see the title.
Yeah. But yeah, so do something like that. Pick those categories, then they know it's some design related thing. Yeah, that's all you gotta do. So, and then you post the job, and then you're gonna you wait a little bit, but overnight, way back, I got like flooded about 50 applications at once. Well, at once, overnight. So when I woke up, I had 50. But let me show you one of my job postings that I've actually made. So this one's up right now. Right. So what I was saying was, if you say $1, you're gonna get less applications. Okay. I wrote $1. I only have 22 applications. If I'd write $2, I typically get like 50 applications. You know what I mean? So
say 1 to 2.
Yeah, 1 to 2. I'm in need of multiple very talented t-shirt designers. I mean, if you want, you can take a screenshot of this and copy it exactly, I guess. Yeah. If you want. I feel like I did a good job here explaining what I'm looking for. And it's worked out. I found some good designers that I'm working with now.
Maybe put this.
I'm super happy with them.
Put this in the description so people can copy paste.
That would make them happy. You're right. That would make them happy. We're doing that for you.
Yeah.
In the description, put this exact script that I use when making a job post. Yeah. Is there anything else here?
Honestly, that's it. Now you're connected with t-shirt designers.
There's a little bit more.
Oh, okay.
So the way I like to talk to them is on Skype. So Skype Messenger, I don't talk to them, I just message them. They will typically give you their Skype username or just ask for it. And then I will usually have them send the designs through Google Drive or Dropbox
or email.
or email. You
I
know,
like email. Personally.
so I don't think there's any more to say. Like the
Yeah,
rest.
that's
is,
it.
Now you just got to do the work.
This is how you find your designers for super cheap. Simple as that.
Boom. Link in the description. Please use that if you're
People
gonna
have
use.
been commenting saying that they like short and sweet videos. At least one guy said it.
Okay.
Well, short and to the point. This is
Um,
not that short, but it's to the point.
So yeah, link in the description. The first link up top. I would hope that you guys would use that, so then we get a little affiliate commission.
Support the twins.
Support the twins.
Yeah.
All right. That's all for this video, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hope you like it. We we don't do anymore. We have like subscribe to the channel. Tell people who need help with merch from Amazon or Kindle publishing that this channel exists. Watch our videos.
Like
We'll
the
help them.
video. Share the video. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Oh, you know what else we have?
What?
We have a freaking podcast now. Have we?
Oh
told them?
yeah, we have a podcast.
We took all of our. Well, it's not like.
No, we have not taken all of them. I'm the only one that's been working on it.
It's not like we have a podcast.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, we do. But all we do is we really take our YouTube videos and we just put them in.
Transcribe them.
Yeah, and then
So
put
you
them
listen
on
to it in the
podcast.
car.
Yeah, that's because if you're pressed for time, because you're working so hard, you can't be spending time watching our videos. Then download them, watch them in the car, listen to them in the car. I mean.
All right.
So yeah, there you go.
Thanks
It's called
for-
the Mix Twins podcast
Yes.
on iTunes.
Thanks for watching this video.
All right.
And that's the end of that. Outro.